The major objective of the conference is to see the possibility of exploiting computer-aided drug design and providing a holistic approach by integrating principles of Ayurveda, allopathy and Siddha in treating diseases like cancer, neurodegenerative disorders and
I am
so
sure
on.
that all of us will be benefited with the discussions during the next
The
3 days.
futuristic developments in the field of high-tech computing, basic sciences, applied sciences, including healthcare, the entire world is looking upon India. So how to keep pace with that and how to equip and encourage and facilitate our youngsters, I feel that is going to happen through these 3 days of conference.
Now, this is a great conference where you have a lot of people from different areas. It's a great time to talk to people, learn from colleagues. I've met some old colleagues here, and great time to mingle around, talk to people, learn from people. I think it's going to be a great
I'm very
conference.
happy to be here for the inauguration of the International Conference on Emerging Trends in Drug Discovery, because as we heard from the speakers now, it is an area where interdisciplinary research is highly essential.
I can already see a lot of energy in the hall and in the form of young audience, and I hope that in the next few days we extend the intellectual front end of mind and generate enough useful knowledge.
ICAT 2014.
As the saying goes, no duty is more urgent than that returning thanks. I feel immense pressure to deliver the vote of thanks.
We have been studying biological complexity from top down.
The little research that I'm trying to do at IU, and this is a little bit dated research.
I'd like to thank the organizers for inviting me to talk about my passion.
21st century is a century of biology powered and propelled by scientific knowledge and technological expertise. Technologies that are going to be very critical or crucial.
Site of 39 different bis-quinoline inhibitors are studied. It is unraveled by successful application of ligand and structural based approaches.
Seven flankol derivatives, which is
our lab is basically focused on the systems biology of infectious disease.
But not like you say for 160 drugs we don't have the data on Indian patients. Isolate the component and then try to improve its efficacy. So still traditional methods are being used for improve the active ingredient.
My simple thing is never give up in your life. Look at this. There is a duck which is trying to eat that frog.
The practices of the intake of the waters, especially the one which is not contaminated.
We can always consider this is an equilibrium system, and just like what we have seen, probably studied in the Le Chatelier principle.
So here I will be explaining about some of the preclinical aspects of pharmacological research.
We have this particular plant called Alternanthera sessalis in our garden. So students used to collect from the herbal garden and they do a lot
The topic of
research
my lecture is harnessing the effectiveness of chemoinformatics and nanoinformatic techniques in biological systems, which is well recognized nationally as well as internationally, and all our faculties are high profile.
Disease. More than 70.
Today I am going to present my research work entitled as Effect of Man. I am here to lead the presentation of the title.
I am working as Associate Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry.
Dr. Usha Rajan, Associate Professor from Department of Biotechnology.
Research topic is chemical constituents of polyviral antiflora and their antihistamine and free radical scavenging agent.
For the force degradation, I have concentrated on genotoxicity.
Aromatase or aldosterone synthase as a strategy for breast. Mary Sakriya. I am taking a presentation and going to present phytochemical screening, isolation and pharmacological activities of
methods were used for synthesizing the nanoparticles. Here we using the toxic methods, toxic chemicals.
Formulation and pharmacokinetic evaluation of solid lipid nanoparticles.
Myself, Juby, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry.
My topic is in silico analysis and optimization of an anti-cholesterol lead compound isolated from Cucurbita pepo.
Curcumin, a yellow pigment extracted from the rhizomes of the plant Curcumin longa.
I am Dr. Kalirajan from the ASS College of Pharmacy, Ooty. I am going to present my research work on docking studies with topoisomerase 2.
My name is K. Praveen Kumar. I came from Hyderabad, Warangal. So my guide is V. Geja Shastri.
And to carry out the docking studies and to evaluate the antidepressant activity of Moringa oleifera and to identify possible leads out of these molecules.
In this study, we have taken different chalcone derivatives. Chalcones are the biosynthetic precursors of the flavonoid family.
Arun, and this is my project mate Pavitra. We are going to present our work, that is synthesis of zeolite using polyethylene glycol as a binder.
Analysis. There are mainly two different aspects of computational analysis. One is a computational space complexity and another is a computational time complexity. Objectives is existing method solves the quantum mechanical equations in the DFT method. Quantum mechanical computation can be done using more flexible wavelet techniques. Feasibility of a tridiagonalization technique for an effective solution of energy computation using a secular matrix is adopted.
मगनं जगत्तहि माधव जगत्तहि माधव
वीर्यवती तेजोमयी नैष्टिकी स्निग्धापाकविलोकिनी सुमधुरं सङ्गीतनालापिनी.
What we would like to have from you mates, because you are all highly innovative, highly energetic, you can be molded very easily.
The experience that I have in science is that everything begins from an unanswered question, from a problem. If you identify the problem, you are already halfway through to the solution. And the great discoveries are not made by hard work. Hard work is just a downstream activity that will happen anyway. Great discoveries, great inventions, and they are not made by extraordinarily brilliant people. They are made by people who are desperate.
He rightly said, they have what they have not achieved in their life, they want to achieve through the children, forgetting that the child has got their own, innate talent. And this era, we talk about not intelligence, we talk about multiple intelligence, isn't it? So each one, everything. See, please understand at this. See, you are going to taste the life of college or the university in this one day.
If you fail in a subject, don't have to blame yourself and say that, see, I am stupid. My colleague, my friend has got A grade, I got only D or F grade, I failed to achieve everything in life. Don't have to feel very bad about that.
Invented as safety pin. There is a place in the history, and the many, it's a vague list of scientists. So each and every invention is useful for the mankind, and it is noted in the history.
Today I feel you children are blessed. You have wonderful parents. You have parents who are so aware of what is good for you, and also teachers who are your guiding lights to lead you to your desired destinations.
Especially today's world, you have to be multi-skilled because of several reasons. First of all, in future, you won't get any servants who are not doing your okay, so you should know how to cook. Secondly, if you want to avoid eating chemicals and pesticides, you should know how to do farming. Okay, so these are the things what is going to happen in the next decade. So it is not far away.
Whatever I'll talk about, I hope that triggers some thoughts in you. This is a general talk on innovation and science, and the whole idea is to basically prime you to the thinking process, as against counseling you to take a particular profession. When you are independent to think, and when you
essentially a quadratic expression, right? P plus Q square, have you done that? Yes? Yes. Alright, that's fair enough. I'm happy that you got to that point. So,
geometrical conditions, they split it up, and due to evolution, they just
There is something where thought does not leave your mind. Okay, so you automatically discover very
common ailments of children and what are the remedies for it in Ayurvedic system of medicine. Of WHO, that is Health Organization, World Health Organization is health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely absence of disease or infirmity.
Fortunate enough for having given such an opportunity. I thank Dr. Pavel for his wonderful address. We really enjoyed it, sir. I thank Dr. Murli Nair for his informative speech, and I thank all of them for giving their email. I hope actually
I call upon Dr. P.K. Krishnan Nampuri, Coordinator, ICAT 2014, for report presentation.
Mathrubhumi and Indian Express were the media partners, supported by Amrita School of Communication, ASCOM, Coimbatore, and of course Multimedia, Amrita School of Engineering, Coimbatore. The conference was the platform for 5 plenary sessions, 16 technical sessions, 11 invited talks, 23 poster presentations, 35 research paper presentations, a SciTech exhibition of ideas and products related to drug design and delivery system, and above all, a social awareness program, Inspire Day for budding scientists, arranged for school children in and around Coimbatore.
With this task I came to Coimbatore. Now we are establishing a facility. It's already come up. We do in our
drug discovery. I think we have to look at the Indian systems of medicine, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Amchi, and the traditional system of medicine. We have a vast knowledge of traditional systems, and our knowledge is much modern than the other one. Because that's what Ayurvedic people will say, that 4,000 years back they have described everything in detail. But there is no molecular genetics there. There was no instrumentation. How they describe, I don't know, I wonder. So what I am telling is that there is a word, Sanskrit is not a new, Sanskrit is a very ancient language.
For past 3 days I'm here for this conference, and I feel this is one of the eye-opener. I can say this is one of the
weaponry is becoming obsolete day by day, and these microbes are much more smarter than human beings in improving their weaponry for attack. And in such a scenario, this TB is having a...
And as so many persons of the last few days, they were all mentioning about Dr. Krishnan Nambudiri sir, and really speaking, Dr. Krishnan Nambudiri sir was so kind enough.
All the teachers of this institution, my seniors, and my dear friends. I'm Manila, final year student of Ayurveda College, Coimbatore. Before you, to express my sincere gratitude to Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham for arranging such an international conference and made it possible for us to participate in this. We had a great exposure to various fields other than our science, and also the hospital.
We are essentially talking of walking in the space of unknown, because this is emerging and this is discovery, so it must be unknown. And when you're talking about the space of unknown.
So if you have an expertise in that area, so you can share it with the students. I was fortunate that I was asked to talk to the students at the Vidyalaya. That was a lot of fun for me to talk to them. I think, adding these little elements in future, but this was a great event and I really enjoyed being here, and the hospitality was great. And one thing that I want to mention, and I should not mention, that has not been mentioned, is the volunteers who worked so hard, bringing tea and food and...
Shivayam. First of all, I like to thank Professor Nambudiri for organizing such a wonderful event. And then I know Professor Nambudiri from at least past 10 or 12 years. We have been working together. He was a good friend of mine. I have learned a lot from him, how to interact with the people, how to organize things, how to be persuasive. And he is a person whom if you cannot deny anything, if he...
Students, really I am thankful to the organizing committee for providing me an opportunity, and for the opportunity for standing here too. And I have lists to say in the feedback, but I'll highlight one by one. The first one about the hospitality. Okay, actually I reached Coimbatore, this first time I'm coming to Amrita University, and I reached Coimbatore Ukkadam by 11 o'clock. And I was alone there, and I safely reached here within 20 minutes by Dr. Geeta and the research scholar of Dr. Geeta ma'am. So this is a very good example for the hospitality they have provided. It's just example, and everything throughout the program it was so. And I'm really lucky to be here for the workshop and conference. by the lectures delivered by the dignitaries and the delegates, which they have aptly choose from various institutions.
Finally, 1 year of continuous and unflagging effort by Dr. Namburi and his team is coming to a happy ending.
So emerging trends in drug discovery was very good, and it gave a lot of information regarding drug discovery and like CAD, computer-aided drug.
It's very interesting, the drug study and its molecular parts.
We exposed to a different system and we gathered some knowledge.
Take this opportunity to thank Amrita College and my college to bring me here and bring all of us here and give us such a wonderful exposure.